Bwana asifiwe. God is good. And all the time. And that's his nature. Our party leader, thank you so much for having me here with the rest of the team. Mama Asante, ED, my colleagues in Nairobi leadership, na wabunge wote wengine, vijana wangu, na marafiki zangu. You know, I feel so much at home when I am here. And I think you know my DNA. How my DNA has always been. Leo ni siku ya baraka sana. And I want to congratulate you that you've started this office through prayer and dedication. I want to pray that this office becomes a fortress, a place of hope, a place of wisdom, a place that will bring direction to the party and to the country as you seek that power. And that power shall be found. Ama sivyo? That power shall be found. Daktari and our party leader, you know very well, I was very close to Baba. That was my dad. And Baba taught me many things. We had a lot of discussions in private. Every other day, we were together. And being together, I know I have heard somebody saying we should get 10 people, I don't know, 20 people. We did so much for the party during that time that we've been together. Mheshimiwa Bosire knows, and those who have been around. In fact, when you talk about the Green Army, I think around 500 got jobs. And they're permanent and pensionable. And Baba connected me to many members of the party, gave me ministers in my government, around 3, chief officers in the county government of Nairobi. So please know, the county government of Nairobi is yours. It belongs to you. And I want to be as close to you as I was to Baba. So mimi nitawashikilia mkono. I will come and hold the hands of these young people in the party. Kina Rosie know what we've done. Marceline, I've seen here. All of these are my friends and my comrades. So mimi nawapenda by force. Mpende msipende nawapenda. Na SG, unajua ni vile tu tuko na sheria. Na sheria ndio inasema ni wakati gani mtu anafanya mambo kwa njia gani. Tulikuwa tumeongea na Baba. Na Baba alikuwa ameongea na rais. Na tulijua ile njia ambayo tunaenda. So naomba, since mmesikia na mnanielewa, nikifika nikaribishwe. So sasa ile mnasema mna support rais ya presidency, chama yetu inachukua Nairobi. Si ndio hiyo? Because my DNA, if you cut it, it just bleeds Baba. It bleeds ODM. When we were together, I was the first person to be vilified for working with Baba. In 2022, the then deputy president started fighting me because I said Nairobi how it is. Nairobi belongs to all of us. And there is no way you can ignore ODM in Nairobi unless you're out of your mind. And so I started working closely with the Baba. Of course, before that, we were also very close. I'm sure those of you who are in Nairobi politics, Orero and TJ, even during campaigns, you never had Baba campaign against me, even though I was in another party, because he knew this is his son. And you know what happened? Rachel Shebesh and Kananu took me somewhere one day when we were still making decisions, and Baba was there. And Baba told me, now my son, you want to be governor but unatembea na watu ya ushago. Nikamwambia dad, mimi najua vile siasa inakaa. Nimekuwa senator wa Nairobi, I've been an MP. I feel it's time to go for governor seat. But your brother, who is supporting you, that was the then president, will not give me a ticket. Because his people will pressure him that if you're supporting Baba for presidency, kiti ya governor, iende kwa jamii. And I have no way of changing my community. I have no way of becoming anybody else. Please, wacha nitafute njia yangu. And he gave me his blessings. And that is why I attribute my success Many of you in ODM, you voted for the party, you voted for your senator, for your women rep, for your MP, for your MCS, ODM, but governor. Mulipatia. So in future, we'll make it easier for all of us as we move along. I just want to assure you that you can count on my 100% support. Many of you here know, the commissioners, you know, how I availed the party even through the election process. SG. My office in Riverside almost became a small chungu house because I had an instruction from Baba and the president on what I needed to do. Mimi sitoki hapo. So akina Brayo, hamjacho peke yenu. Sisi tuna support party leader and mimi I will facilitate. Vitu ndogo ndogo msisumbue party leader. Sawa sawa? Rosie, vitu ndogo msisumbue party leader. Vitu hii town ya kutembea ya nini. And I know, like Baba gave me mkoe. I know we've not sat for a while. But he would call and say, take my son. Chukua huyu, mshikilie mkono. Dennis Onsarigo, he gave me kwa mkono. Ibrahim Auma, who is my waziri, alinipea kwa mkono. Rosemary Kariuki, alinipea kwa mkono. Mike Gumo, alinipea kwa mkono. And many others. Oscar Umoke, etc. I feel very much at home. You can be somewhere and just know that vibe inaingiana. Sini kweli? So, party leader, we are behind you. And you might worry about many things. I know sometimes people are worried and concerned about the city. Formula ya Nairobi ni tofauti na Ushago. Formula ya Nairobi ni tofauti. Nairobi sio kifua, ni akili na ni kuchora kabla ya kuweka mawe. So sisi tuko na formula yetu. Tuko na formula yetu ambayo tunachora na hawa bunge na itaingiana. Hiyo I assure you itaingiana. Mimi sijai kuwa kwa siasa ya kuanguka. Na hii tunachukua. Na hii tunaingia kwa power. So anything that you ever require. Kwanza hii ofisi pia itachungwa na Nairobi County because iko hapa na itapatiwa heshima yake, si ndio hiyo? So akina Chayo, ndugu yangu, mkifanya security mjue pia kuna backup. Na mnajua ile kitu namaanisha. Backup iko bro. Sawa sawa. So may God bless you. And as you've said, I heard you very, yesterday in Siaya. What manner of foolishness would it be to want to get into government by leaving government? Like, you're already in an arrangement, mko kwa serikali ndio hii, but mnataka kuingia by leaving. Yet you're already inside. What manner of foolishness is that? Mimi nimeambia ndugu zangu waache kujiconfuse. President William Ruto is very genuine in this relationship. I assure you he is very, very genuine. And you know what is done for our people. Siku hizi tunatembea hata with our heads up high. Saizi barabara yetu inatengenezwa Rironi mpaka Western. Things that gone to other parts of the country. Some places had been ignored. And that is why even in Nairobi we're telling people, there's some people who feel that the city is theirs by birthright. This city is for every single person. Na kazi yetu ni kuunganisha kabila zote na jamii zote za Nairobi. Because Nairobi jirani yako ndio ndugu yako. So I am very grateful for the warm welcome. I think it was a blessing that nimekuja kwa siku ya kwanza. I will keep coming. Chief of Staff, ako wapi? Ni sawa tu, lakini mkiniona hapa msishangae. Mzoe tu mimi napenda chai ya maziwa. Pio tu. Beyond that, I will do my operations as I work with you. May God bless you and I wish you all the best. And SG, you are the Secretary General of the party. I have been the chairman of a ruling party. When I was 27 years old, I was chair of the ruling party TNA. Sasa, mimi ndakupatia notes ya ruling party. Because that is what ODM is going to be. Sindo hiyo? Through this coalition and through this arrangement. Sorry, Chief of Staff, I was just saying, because now you have to be my very good friend. Mkiniona area, usishangae. I just like tea with milk. So SG, walk with your head up high. Be confident. Be proud. You're leading the biggest party. Mnasemanga south of the Sahara, north of the Limpopo. And all leadership comes from God. Let no one try to tell you that you're not supposed to be where you are. If you want the backup in the city, you'll get that backup. But it's God who determines. Romans 13 said, no, any leadership on authority comes from God. So tutakuombea, tutakusupport, tutakuback whatever you require. Ya mwisho, hao wengine ambao wanaanza kusumbua, tudeal nao ki Nairobi. Na hiyo tunaijua. Ama ni aje Orero? Hii town, hawataleta hiyo mchezo. Hapa tunasimama gangari because tunataka power. Na hiyo power itapatikana.